Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my hair. As you can see, this is what my scalp looks like when I need to wash it. It's very fuzzy. No, there aren't any roaches in my hair, and there aren't any bugs. No, I don't get lice. No. I do occasionally get some lint, but that's just as bad as it gets. So this is what my hair looks like when it needs to be redone. So I'm about to wash my hair. This is what I used to wash it. I use the Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 Classic Clean. After I wash it, I retwist my hair with the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. And for my edges, I'll be using an olive oil edge control, and I'll be applying that with a toothbrush. I'll be having small black rubber bands to tie the ends of my braids and a big one to separate my hair into sections. So first I just towel dry my hair, so it's still damp after you do this, and as you can see my roots are very puffy because I just washed it. So now I'm going to separate my hair into two sections. Then I just get my locking gel and I apply it along my scalp, and I massage it in because it actually feels really good. So then now I'm sectioning my hair into 4 different sections. So I do it in half, and then I do the half and half. So, and I tie that up to keep that secured. And I always start in the back, so I just put that gel in my hair again, and I just get each lock and I twist it. And after I twist the lock, I put it in a rubber band. Going until I have all of my locks twisted. So for my hair to dry faster, I usually blow dry it while it's still in rubber bands before I braid it. Then I'm going to take the rubber bands out so I can braid my hair. So when I take my hair out, it'll be crinkly. Because right now it's still damp. It's not completely dry, but it's dry enough for my roots to not unravel. So I am done with doing my hair. So basically all I did was wash it, and when it was wet, I retwisted, I palm rolled my hair in a clockwise direction. Wait, let me see. Yeah, in clockwise direction. So I pretend there's like a clock on my head, and whatever way the clock goes is where I twist my hair. So I have a clock down here, the clock would turn this way, so I twist my lock that way. And I do that for all of them. If you don't do like the same pattern every time, it will stunt your lock growth. So you gotta make sure, like, if you choose to go clockwise or counterclockwise, you have to stay that way throughout your lock journey. So if you don't retwist your hair while your hair is wet, you can suffer from hair damage. Like, you can break off your roots because they're dry. So you should always want to retwist your hair when it's wet. And so now that my hair is all freshly twisted and clean, usually I oil my scalp, because when you oil your scalp you get less dandruff and less dry skin, but I could not find my grease, so I'm going to just look for it later. I'm going to take these out in like a few days. So this is proof that I do wash my hair. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any video requests, don't be afraid to comment and let me know.